Want to share your Roblox Game Pass with friends? This video shows you how to get the direct link in a few simple steps. Here's how to get your Roblox Game Pass link. First, you need to go to the Roblox website, log into your account. Then after, go to the Create option in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. From this section at the top of the page, go to Creations, which is below Homepage, and select your place. Next, scroll down on the left-hand side to the monetization option. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, and then go to passes that is between developer products and avatar items. Find the specific game pass you want the link for. Let's go ahead and select the Dark Phoenix. So right-click on it and then tap on Open Link in a new tab. Then copy the link from the new tab. Go ahead, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and tap on Copy. And to get the direct link, click on the three dots from the left-hand side and tap on Copy Asset ID. In your address bar, type in roblox.com/gamepass and paste the pass ID you just copied. This will take you directly to your Game Pass page. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.